Do you have an interest in earning extra money online? Are you familiar with affiliate marketing but do not know how to start? Or are you worried that it requires some specialized tech skills only known to IT guys? If so, then this course can help you. My goal is to get rid of your worries and to get you started with affiliate marketing. In particular, I am focusing on CPA affiliate marketing. There are many other affiliate programs you can work with. However, many have no tracking of results and require 45 days before you see any money. CPA affiliate marketing has live results and instant payouts. That's why CPA affiliate marketing is the best way to start for beginners. You will know what works and what doesn't by the results you instantly see and no 45-day delays. So what is CPA affiliate marketing? CPA stands for cost per action. You get paid when a person completes an action, like filling in a form or installing an app. In other words, you are providing leads. It's easier than typical affiliate marketing because people can take actions without using their credit cards and you still get paid. A person doesn't have to buy the product you promote, but you will be paid for the lead that you provide. I decided to create this course when I noticed that all other courses were skipping on the most important part of CPA affiliate marketing. And that is the technical side of setting up the CPA campaign. You see, I used to work in an affiliate network. The hardest part was learning the campaign setup process. It was a little technical, but soon I learned it and I started teaching new employees how to set it up. So I decided to create this course and focus on the CPA affiliate setup process. If you are new to CPA affiliate marketing or a beginner struggling to earn money, this course can help you and teach you the process for setting up your CPA marketing campaigns and optimizing them for profit. Here's what you will learn in this training. The entire CPA affiliate marketing process from start to finish. You will learn the tools you need in your advertising so that you can review and optimize your campaigns. I'll show you an easy way to find nearly all the CPA affiliate networks available. I will show you how to set up the most important step of CPA affiliate marketing, the step that is usually overlooked in other courses. And at the end of this lesson, you will know where to find affiliate offers, how to configure them for your ad campaigns, and where to advertise your offers. You will literally have more advertising channels to choose from than you can handle. But not to worry, I will also provide you with my recommendation on the best advertising sources for beginners. So let's get started. Enroll today and I will see you inside.